Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Lbrands HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Lbrands HR login and start your search. As the search result, you can see on the first option, Lbrands user login -HR. Click on the first option. It will directly redirect you to the login portal of Lbrands. And over here you can see the login portal. Enter the username within the username box. And over here enter your password within the password box. You guys can also select your preferred language by clicking on the drop down arrow over here. And once you enter your login credentials, click on the go button over here. You will be logged into your Lbrands HR account. And if you guys forgot your login credentials, contact to the support system of Lbrands HR. So that's all for this video. This is how you can log in into your account on Lbrands HR. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.